Assalamualaikum, good afternoon Madam Nofarazila and Mr. Muhammad Aizulizam. We are students from the ITM Sarawak Faculty of Business and Management. Today we will be presenting our assignment on Touch and Go e-wallet. My name is Nur Fatehah binti Muhammad Omar from class PA263C. Today I will introduce Touch and Go e-wallet, one of the leading digital payment platforms in Malaysia. Touch and Go Digitals offer the Touch and Go e-wallet service, which enable users to perform cashless transactions conveniently through their smartphones. It is widely used by millions of Malaysians for daily transactions. The e-wallet provides various services such as QR payments, money transfers, bill payments, online shopping, and transportation payments. Among these services, the QR payment is one of the most popular features. Using the QR payment system, users can make payments quickly and securely by simply scanning a merchant's QR code using their mobile phones. This reduces the need for cash and makes transactions faster and more convenient. Now, let us look at Touch and Go e-wallet as a company. Touch and Go e-wallet is a Malaysian fintech company established to promote digital financial services and support the country's move towards as a cashless society. The company provides innovative digital payment solutions for both consumers and merchants. In addition, Touch and Go e-wallet continuously improves its services through digital technologies and innovation to enhance user experience. Today, it serves millions of users and merchants across Malaysia. Next, I will explain the horizon scanning analysis for Touch and Go e-wallet and how the system works. As you can see here, Touch and Go e-wallet allows users to make cashless payments quickly and securely using their smartphones. The payment process begins when the users open the Touch and Go e-wallet applications. The user then reloads money into their e-wallet account through available payment methods. After that, the user scans the merchant's QR code and enters the payment amount if required. Once the transaction is confirmed, the payment is processed instantly through a secure system. Finally, the merchant receives payment notification in real time and the transaction is successfully completed. Looking at the external environment, several current trends are driving the growth of digital wallets. This includes the increasing demand for cashless payments, higher smartphone penetration, the rapid expansion of e-commerce, and strong government support for digital economy. In terms of future trends, Touch and Go e-wallet is expected to adopt more advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence or AI, biometric authentication, digital banking integration, and enhanced cybersecurity measures. This innovation will improve security, efficiency, and user experience. Touch and Go e-wallet was selected for this study because it is one of the leading digital payment platforms in Malaysia. It supports the country's transition towards a cashless society and reflects the growing importance of digital economic technologies. Furthermore, it is an excellent example of how digital transformations is changing the way people make payments and manage financial transactions. Now, I will discuss the current system in place at Touch and Go e-wallet and the technologies that support its operations. The first component is the mobile application, which serves as the main platform for users. Through the apps, users can perform transactions, reload funds, pay bills, transfer money, and manage various e-wallet services conveniently from their smartphones. The second component is the QR code payment system. This feature allows users to make secure and convenient payments by scanning QR codes at participating merchants. It helps reduce the use of cash and speeds up the payment process. Another important system is the cloud computing infrastructure. Cloud technology provides a scalable and reliable platform that ensures high system availability, fast performance, and the ability to handle a large number of transactions. Touch and Go e-wallet also uses a payment gateway, which acts as a bridge between users, banks, and merchants. This system securely processes transactions and ensures that payments are completed accurately and efficiently. In addition, the company utilizes a data analytic platform. This platform collects and analyzes transaction data to understand customer behavior, monitor market trends, improve services, and support data-driven decision-making. Lastly, the cybersecurity system plays a critical role in protecting users' information and financial data. It helps prevent cyber threats, unauthorized access, and fraud while ensuring compliance with security standards and regulations. Responsible departments. Responsible departments involved in managing and supporting the current Touch and Go e-wallet system. Firstly, the software development team is responsible for developing, updating, and maintaining the application's features and functionality. They ensure the e-wallet remains user-friendly and meets customer needs. Second, the IT operation teams manage the system infrastructure and daily operation. Their role is to ensure the platform remains stable, reliable, and available to users at all times. Third, the customer service team handles customer inquiries, complaints, and feedback. They play an important role in improving user satisfaction and resolving issues efficiently. Fourth, the cybersecurity team is responsible for monitoring system security, managing cyber risks, and protecting user data from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Next, we will discuss the new model generation of Touch and Go e-wallet. Currently, TNG e-wallet mainly functions as a digital payment platform where users can perform QR payment, use OTP verification for security, and access their transaction history. Although current system provide convenience and supports cashless transaction, there are still opportunities to improve its digital maturity. To enhance the system, we propose transforming TNG e-wallet into an AI-powered smart financial ecosystem that provides a more intelligent, secure, and user-friendly experience. The first proposed improvement is AI Financial Assistant. This feature can analyze users' spending patterns and provide personalized recommendations such as budgeting and saving suggestions. This helps users manage their finance more effectively. The second improvement is AI fraud detection. Artificial intelligence can monitor transactions in real time and identify suspicious activities. If unusual transactions are detected, the system can immediately alert users and improve overall security. Next, offline payment functionality can be introduced. This allows users to continue making payments even in areas with weak or unstable internet connection. Lastly, voice payment technology can improve accessibility by allowing users to make payment using voice commands especially for elderly users and individuals with disabilities. Overall, this improvement can enhance security, increase accessibility, and provide a better user experience while transforming TNG e-wallet into a smarter financial ecosystem for the future. Next, we will discuss the proposed workflow process comparison and the improvement introduced in the new model for Touch and Go e-wallet. At the top section, we can see the comparison between the current workflow and improved future workflow. For the current workflow, users first open the TNG e-wallet application and scan a QR code. Then, the system performs payment verification using OTP authentication before processing the payment. Once the transaction is complete, users receive a digital receipt. For the improved workflow in the future step, user can either scan a QR code or use voice commands to initiate transaction. The system then performs AI verification and fraud detection to improve security. After that, payment processing can be performed online or offline depending on the internet availability. Once the transaction is approved, users can receive smart analytics and financial insight in the form of recommendation before receiving a digital receipt. This improved workflow uses artificial intelligence and data analytics to continuously learn user behavior and provide a more secure and personalized experience. At the bottom section, we can see the benefits of the new model. First, it provides a better user experience by offering more personalized and convenient service. Second, higher security can be achieved because AI protects users from fraud and unauthorized activities. Third, greater accessibility allows more users to benefit through offline and voice payment features. Additionally, users can improve financial management through AI-generated insight and recommendation. Finally, this improvement supports sustainable growth by creating a stronger ecosystem with higher customer engagement and long-term value. On the right side, we also identify current challenge and proposed solution. High fraud risk can be reduced using AI fraud detection and real-time monitoring. Internet dependency can be addressed through offline payment features. Accessibility issues for elderly and disabled users can be improved through voice payment and a simple user interface. Lastly, the lacking of financial insights can be solved using AI financial assistant and smart analytics. Next, we will discuss the gap analysis by comparing the current state and future state of the Touch and Go e-wallet. Currently, TNG e-wallet mainly supports QR payment, OTP security verification, transaction history, and human support service. However, in the future state, the system can be improved by introducing QR, voice and offline payment methods, AI fraud detection, smart analytics, and AI chatbot support. From the data perspective, the current system mainly stores transaction records and user information. In the future, smart analytics can be used to analyze spending patterns and provide personalized recommendations to users. In terms of people and skills, future digital transformation requires additional expertise such as AI specialists, data analysts, and cybersecurity professionals to support advanced technologies and maintain system security. This digital transformation can facilitate work effectiveness by increasing efficiency, reducing manual processes, improving transaction speed, and enhancing customer experience. Beneficiaries of digital transformation include customers, merchants, financial institutions, and the overall digital economy. However, there are still some weaknesses in the work process, such as internet dependency and cybersecurity risks. Therefore, continuous innovation and security improvements are necessary to ensure long-term sustainability. In conclusion, TNG e-wallet has successfully transformed digital payment service in Malaysia by providing a secure, convenient, and cashless transaction platform for users. The system has improved the way people perform daily financial activities by making payments faster and reducing dependency on physical cash. Using the H approach, we evaluate the external environment through horizon scanning, assess the current system and research through internal audit, propose future innovation in new model generation, and compare the current and future stats through gap analysis. Several improvements were also proposed, including AI financial assistant, AI fraud detection, offline payment, and voice payment features. These innovations can enhance security, improve accessibility, provide a better user experience, and increase the overall digital maturity of the system. Overall, digital transformation allows TNG e-wallet to evolve from a simple digital payment platform into a smarter, safer, and more inclusive financial ecosystem that can continue to meet future technological and customer needs.